If you can't control lust, you don't control your life. That sounds harsh, but think about it. Lust quietly drains the three things that build your future: your energy, your focus, your discipline, and the worst part? Most people try to fight it with willpower. That's the wrong battle, because addictions don't survive on desire, they survive on easy access and empty time. So here are 5 habits that actually weaken the urge at its root. But pay attention to habit number 4. It's the one almost nobody fixes, and it's the reason most people keep relapsing. Habit 1. Kill the first trigger. Relapse rarely starts with porn. It starts with curiosity, scrolling, exploring. Just one look. That's the spark. And once the spark starts, your brain begins chasing dopamine. So make a simple rule. When you open social media, you already know why. No random scrolling, no late night exploring, because every image you see plants a seed. And later, that seed becomes an urge. Habit 2. Interrupt the urge. Immediately urges feel mental, but they're actually physical energy, and energy needs movement. The moment an urge hits, stand up, move, do push-ups, walk fast, splash cold water on your face. No thinking, no negotiating, because urges grow when you sit with them, but they weaken when you move through them. Habit 3. Stop fighting alone at night. Here's a pattern almost every addict has. Relapses happen late at night, when you're tired, alone, and bored. At that moment, discipline is weak. So don't rely on discipline. Create a rule instead. After a certain hour your phone doesn't stay with you, leave it outside the bedroom. Because willpower fades, but systems still work. Habit 4. Control boredom before it controls you. This is the one most people ignore. Lust doesn't grow because you're weak. It grows because you're idle. An empty evening is the perfect environment for relapse. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just you and your phone. So plan your evenings before they happen. Gym, learning a skill, working on something meaningful. Because boredom is where discipline goes to die. And when your time has structure, urges lose their space. Habit 5. Build a new identity. Most people try to quit with guilt. I messed up again. I'm starting over. That mindset keeps you stuck. Instead, track progress. Days clean, urges resisted, time reclaimed. Every day you win, you prove something to yourself. You're not someone trying to quit. You're someone who doesn't live like that anymore. And identity beats willpower every time. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. The strongest men aren't the ones who never feel urges. They're the ones who refuse to obey them. You don't need more motivation. You need better systems. So if today is the day you take control, comment day 1. Most people watching this won't last a week. Let's see who actually does.